Hi guys. Today we are going to see how to connect CJ Dropshipping to Shopify. Before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. First, create a CJ Dropshipping account and then connect it to Shopify. First, go to Google and search CJ Dropshipping. Click on Sign In. To create a new account, you need to sign up first, so click on Sign Up. Here are all the requirements needed to create an account, so put all these basic requirements. Now click on Next. Here you'll need to provide some additional basic information. It's very simple. Now click on Confirm. Here are some user questions. Fill them randomly. Now click on Next. Now need to verify email. Email successfully verified. Now click on Confirm. CJ Dropshipping successfully sign up. Now go to the Shopify App Store and install CJ app. You can find CJ Dropshipping in the front of App Store. Click on CJ Dropshipping. Install this app. Install and integrate the CJ app. Once installed, it will redirect you to the CJ app. Here you can see you have logged into this account before. Just click on Authorize. Authorization successfully. Click on Shopify and verify your Shopify connection. Here, you can see that Shopify has been successfully connected with CJ Dropshipping. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.